Okay, now let me show you the third special product of binomial. So here we have a binomial a minus b, and this binomial we have it multiplied by itself. So the result is gonna be a squared minus 2 times ab plus b squared. So the pattern is we square the first term and minus 2 times the product of the first term and the second term and plus the square of the second term. Now let me use this formula to show you an example. Now we have 5x minus 2 squared. So this equals 5x minus 2 times 5x minus 2. Okay, now here a is like 5x and b is like 2. Therefore according to this formula, so the result should be 5x squared minus 2 times 5x times 2 and plus 2 squared. So this is 25x squared minus 10x times 2 plus 4. So it's 25x squared minus 20x plus 4. Okay, so far we have learned 3 special products of binomials. The first one is a binomial a minus b times another binomial a plus b. So the result has only 2 terms, and that is a squared minus b squared. So this is the first one. Now the second special product is a binomial a plus b times a plus b. Now the result has 3 terms. So the first term is the square of a and plus 2 times the product of ab, and the third term is b squared. Now the third special product is a minus b times a minus b. So the result is a squared minus 2 times ab plus b squared. Okay, now you may wonder, what if I'm looking for a plus b to the power of 3? Then what should we do? So one way is to write a plus b to the third into a plus b times a plus b times a plus b. So then first we figure out the product between these two, and then we have this result multiplied by the third a plus b. Now let me show you one example. Okay, let's see. I want to find what does 2x plus 1 to the power of 3 equal. So since this is 2x plus 1 times 2x plus 1 times 2x plus 1. Okay. So this equals 2x plus 1 square times 2x plus 1. Now, to find what does 2x plus 1 square equal, so either you can use this pattern, or you can use FOIL. So if I use this pattern, a square plus 2ab plus b square, now 2x is a and 1 is b, so 2x plus 1 square gonna be 2x square plus 2 times 2x times 1 plus 1 square and multiply by 2x plus 1. So now I have 4x squared plus 4x plus 1 and multiply by 2x plus 1. Okay, then to find out what this product equal, we can use a distributive property. So I'm gonna distribute this polynomial into 2x plus 1. So that means I gonna have this polynomial multiplied by 2x and plus I have this polynomial multiplied by 1. And then next I use the distributive property again, but this time I distribute 2x into this polynomial and I distribute 1 into this polynomial. So I have 4x squared times 2x plus 4x times 2x and have 1 times 2x and plus 4x squared times 1 plus 4x times 1 plus 1 times 1. Okay. Now 4x squared times 2x, we have 8x to the third. Now 4x times 2x, we have 8x squared. Now 1 times 2x is 2x. 4x squared times 1 is 4x squared. 4x times 1 is 4x. 1 times 1 is 1. Now next, I'm looking for the like terms. So 8x squared and 4x squared are like terms, and 2x and 4x are like terms. So I combine them. I have the answer 8x to the third plus 12x squared plus 6x plus 1.